Hey folks, Machinery Pete here. Another day, another new record auction price on a tractor. Got one for you today on this International 666. This sold last week, was April 4th, 2013 on a farm retirement auction for Brad Zender over in Butterfield, Minnesota. And that's in the southwest part of the state. This is the same auction that had the John Deere 830. It sold real high the other day. Now this International 666 was bought brand new by Brad's father back in the day, so it's always been in the family, a one owner. Factory wide front, 3-point, dual hydraulics, 18.438 rear tires, and get this, 3,742 actual hours. Wow, don't see those every day. So again, another new record auction price here. Adam from WFS Co-op in southern Minnesota was at the sale and shot this video for us. So let's go to the video action.
Internet, we're on lot number 220, got an IHC 666 roll-top tractor. This was purchased by Brad's father. It has a factory white front, 3-point, hydraulic outlets, 18.438 rear rubber on it. Nice tractor it is. And we'll sell the rock boxes after, I guess. That's original International paint, guys. That's original. You bet. I would have to agree. All right, on a beautiful little 666 right there. Who's got about $15,000? I've been $15,000. $6,000. Sit down on minute 7. Looks on $7, $7, $7, $7, $7, $7, $8, $8, $7, $7, $8, $8, $9, $9, $9, $9, $10, $7, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, now 10, 11, 11, 11, now 12, 11, 11, 12, 12, now 13, 13, 12, now 13, now 13, 13, 13, 13, 12, 5, 13, 12, 5, now 13, 13, now 13, now 12, 5, 13. I'm at 12, 5, now 13, 13, 13, now 13, 5, 13, 5, 13, now 13, 5, 13, 5, 14, now 14, now 14, 14, 13, 5, 14. Then 13, 5, 14, now 14, 5, 14, now 14, 5. Where do you find them, guys? 14. Looks like it just came off the showroom and it was brand new. Absolutely. 14, 2.5. 14, 11, 14, 2.5. I'm in 14, 2.5, 2.5. Absolutely. 14, 5. 13, 14, 5, 14, 2, now 14, 5. 14, 2, then 14, 5, 14, 5, 14, 2, 15, 14, 5, 14, 5, 14, 5, 14, 2, then 14, 5. I'm the 14, 2, then 3, now 4, 14, 4, 14, 4, 14, 3, 7, 4, 14, 4, 14, 4. You're out there, Dustin, now 14, 4. 14, 3, 14, 4, sir. $14,400. 14, 4, 14, 4, 14, 4, 14, 5, 14, 5, 14, 4, 14, 5. I'm at 14, 4,000, now 14, 5, 14, 5, 14, 4, 14, 5, 14, 5, 14, 4, 14, 5, 14, 4,000, 14, 5. 14,400, as in 14, 5, 14, 5, 14, 4, 7. Anybody else? 14, 4, 7, 14, 5, 14, 5, 14, 5, 14, 5. 14, 5, 14, 6. I'm at 14, 5, now 14, 6, 7, 6, 7, 14, 6, 14, 6, 14, 5, 14, 6, 7. 14, 7, 7, now 8, 8, 8, 14, 8, 14, 8, 14, 7, 7, 8, 8.
George, even a John Deere guy like me can bring the deer.
That takes something too, I tell you. 14, 8, 14, 7, 7, 14, 8. 14, 8, no 9. 14, 8, 7, 9, no 9, 14, 9, now 15, 15, 15,000, 11, 15, 14, 15,000, now $15,000. 15, now 15, 15, 14, 9, now 15. I'm there, 14, 9. Beautiful. 14, 9, now 15,000, 15, now 15,000, 15, now 15,000, 15, now 15, 15, 14, now 16. Here we go. 14, 9, now 15, 15, 14, 9, now 15,000, 15, now 15, 15, 14, 9, 15, 15,000, 15,000, and I have $14,900 number is 147. Look